Hey guys, this is Judy, and thank you so much for stopping in to hear more about my monetization journey. Since being monetized, I've had the opportunity to look at quite a few things, and I've been looking to figure out, okay, what is going on, how does this work, I've been trying to figure out I've been looking to figure out the science of it. And or even one of the things that I mentioned in the previous video, how over the last 6 months, I'd really not been posting much. And one of the things that allowed me to see was the better times. What I think would be best is what I want to do is to figure out the best time that my subscribers are online, to determine the best time to post and get consistent with my posting schedule. But of course, that requires me to actually be consistent with recording and editing and processing and uploading these videos at a certain time, which I'm still struggling with quite a bit. But one thing that I did notice is that it seems like there are certain days that do better than others. We know that weekends are a definite not happening, or at least not much going on the on what do you call it, on YouTube on weekends. However, I started looking at the way what the not even just the watch times, because it seems like, yes, on weekends everything died down, and then on Mondays it does seem like there are more views, or the views start increasing on Mondays. But it doesn't seem like Monday is the absolute highest number of views kind of day, because sometimes I'd get the most views on a Tuesday, or I get the most views on a Wednesday. It's usually not on a weekend, but usually during the weekdays. Um, Up until about Thursday-ish. So from Monday to Wednesday seem to be the most active days. And then Thursday is pretty Thursday's good, but it's not great. And Friday is when it starts to plummet towards the weekend, and then it starts to pick back up on Sunday. So I realized that, okay, when I need to do I need to make sure that I am posting my content sometime between Monday and Wednesday, ideally up to Thursday, but definitely nothing on the weekend, because there's not much activity on weekends. So that wouldn't be the best time. There is one thing though that I did notice. On Mondays, regardless of the number of views, it does seem that my rates are higher. I can't, there's no science behind what I'm saying. I'm simply making an observation based on my channel. This could be complete hogwash, but based on looking at the numbers on my channel, I noticed that on certain days, the granted, yes, you and I both know my earnings are pretty low right now. I'm not getting hundreds and thousands of views and thousands of dollars every day. However, I do, maybe that's what makes it easier for me to be able to notice these minute changes. But yeah, it does seem that on Mondays the cost is higher. For example, on a day that maybe on a Monday I might get 100 or 200 views on my channel, and then the next day I get slightly more on a Tuesday. And sometimes I will notice that even though the views on Monday were close to what they were on Tuesday, or were less than what they were on Tuesday, that the earnings on Monday tend to sometimes be a little bit higher than what I see on Wednesdays and other days. I haven't really been able to get too deep into it to see. Yeah, I haven't been able to make enough of an assessment to see what the difference between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are. However, I do notice that there is a bit of a higher payout or pay rate on Monday. So, which is why I make it a point. I always did make it a point to post on Mondays. Even when I post 2 days a week, so my schedule used to be Mondays and Wednesdays, and then, or I think last year I started posting a little bit more, so I would have Monday, Wednesday, and whatever other day. But yeah, I've always posted on Mondays, but I do notice that since there seems to be a higher rate for Mondays, one thing that I do my best to do when I can get the videos processed and edited in time is to, I guess, post a video that I think would do best on a Monday so that I'm able to get the most views on the days that have the higher rates. But of course, we know that weekends are the dead days. So on weekends, half the time my channel doesn't get a lot of views, and it seems like the rate is just as low as the rate is just as low as the views. So that's why um I don't usually post on weekends. I don't post on weekends. I just post on even if I'm doing 5 videos in one week, I will do Monday through Friday, but I wouldn't do Saturday and Sunday. And even Fridays. Lately I've posted on Friday, but Friday is usually a light video that it's important content that I like, content that I want people to know, but it's not like, oh, I want people have to see this. So yeah, since I found that, I thought I would share that with you guys in case anyone ever wondered, hey, when does YouTube pay the most? That day seems to be Monday. All right, that I believe is all I got on this topic, or at least for today. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. So thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.